Android phone home button navigation at bottom is missing. So as you can see that in my device also, I don't have the home button navigation, right? So if you want to get the home button navigation, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now you need to scroll down, and if you find problems while searching the option, you can simply go for the search, which will be on the upper right. And once you go for the search here, you need to search for navigation and tap on the system navigation, which is on the first, and tap on that again, and here you will have two navigations, which is gesture and three button, right? So what you need to do is, if you want to have the home button, then you just need to go for the three button navigation, and once you tap on that, here you will have your three button navigation. So you can simply scroll down and you can choose any navigation order that you would like to choose. So you will have all of these options. So order of the navigation keys and order of the icon style. So you can simply choose any one of those, and once you've choose, you can go back, tap on the home button, and that's it. Now you will have the home button. So that's how you can get the home button in your Android devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.